Thanks for joining EPTDA Sustainability Spotlight. In 3 minutes, we'd love to hear how you turn sustainability from theory into action. To start, could you tell us your name, role, and what you oversee at ADALIS?
My name is Antoni Cammany. I am the CEO of a third-generation family-owned company. ADALIS is one of the companies in our group, and we've been always very committed to EPTDA and to the sustainability, also development of our industry.
What first triggered your personal commitment to sustainability? Was there an event, mentor, or light bulb moment?
I would say at the end, as family-owned companies, is a family culture. Sustainability, or let's say taking care of the environment, the people, the society, it's something that comes from the beginning of my family. So this is something that we bring as individuals, as a family owners in the company. Later on, it's true that since we learned from United Nations that the strategic development goals and the Agenda 2030, that was a very good understanding how to implement and to develop sustainability in much more organized way into the companies.
In one sentence, how is sustainability now woven into your corporate strategy?
Well, in consequence with what I say, in 2018, we make a meeting with all our management team, and we define that the purpose of our group of companies should be helping the industry to build a sustainability future. So that helps very much when from the top of the company in the purpose we talk about sustainability. Later on we translate that into the business plans of each one of our companies, asking them to analyze how to include KPIs, include projects that can bring sustainability by our own companies, but also by our customers. And not only we did that, but we also include participating, like in EPTDA, in external associations, to push and to move forward in sustainability in the ecosystem arena in which we are doing business with.
Which customer or supplier requests around sustainability have grown fastest in the past year, and how do you reply them?
I would say that our customer portfolio, what they're asking more today is to have some kind of certification that gives visibility what we are doing in sustainability. Platforms like EcoVadis has been very spread around our businesses, and it's a model in which we can explain easily to our customers depending on the qualification you get from this type of platforms. In our case, we start with EcoVadis in 2022, and at present in 2025 we got the silver medal.
What's been your toughest hurdle in getting ready for CSRD, CEPAM, or stricter packaging rules? And how did you overcome it?
Well, this is a tough job, to be honest, because means the big problem is data collection. When all these things comes to your company, then you realize that probably you don't have the appropriate information in our database, product database especially, and then it becomes the problem how to get all that information. Sometimes does not depend on us, but on our suppliers. Later on, this information is spread around the company in different departments, so we have to be, I would say, very enthusiastic about finding all this information, making sure that it's accurate information, and especially because at the end we have to give an answer to regulations. Sometimes we need the help of external consultancy firms that help us to understand exactly how the rules of the regulations needs to be implemented.
Give us one measurable win, cost saved, revenue gained, or risk avoided that sustainability has already delivered.
Well, I would say that if we talk about internal in our company, energy efficiency has been one of the main advantages since we start to invest in photovoltaic parks in 4 of our sites. because we are today net zero emissions in scope 1 and 2, that has helped very much to achieve that goal. Additionally, because of that, we are saving in the compensation, because also we have invested in all the hybrid cars and electrical cars in our fleet of vehicles, so that all these things have helped us also to have cost savings in the compensation, in the offset of CO2 emissions. But not only I have to talk about us, we can talk also about our customers. We are really focused in trying to fix a green portfolio of products and services coming from our suppliers, so that we can try to convince our customers to, for the applications of new products that are saving costs, especially in energy, to our customer portfolio.
If you could share one practical tip with fellow distributors starting out, what will it be?
Well, the first thing I would say is the management team has to believe in sustainability. Otherwise, it will become very difficult. Once you build a management team that is believing in the sustainability, you have to implement and to share with all your team, and to be visible in your business plans in your companies. And later on, not only that, but then to spread and to try to push as much as possible the concept of sustainability in the value chain, customers and suppliers.
Finish this sentence. For our business, sustainability is?
For our business, sustainability is our purpose, helping the industry to build a sustainable future.
Appreciate your time and insights. See you at the next EPTDA event.
Thank you very much. See you there.